Hey everyone, this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, and today I'm going to share something exciting that I have been working on since a long time, but it's actually showing results. So I'm building a community for Shivai, my startup that I have been trying to build, and it has generated some revenue. And I was initially using it for freelancing, but now I'm going full fledged. So this is the story of me building a startup at 23 while working as a full-time data analyst. So I'm trying to build a passionate team for it because doing it yourself is not a worthy option. I understood. So for those who don't know me, here's just a quick intro of me. So I started freelancing back when I was doing my graduation. I did BCA. So while working on projects and learning as I want, so then I pursued MBA in business intelligence, and which shaped my skills and my I always wanted to do analytics, so it helped me that and give me the confidence and deeper understanding of case studies and how to run a business basically. So yeah, and it also gave me the confidence to start, data and mentorship. And in 2021, I took a leap of faith, you can say, and started Shivai. So Shiv plus AI Shivai. So yeah, and it became as a work. I started working on a lot of exciting things. I mentored a lot of people, so it was really really exciting. And over time, I've grown. Like I had amazing clients. I have incredible students, and they keep on coming to some got jobs, so they'll keep on appreciating me for it. I'm really happy about it, and I've generated some solid revenue. You can see my Medium vlogs for it. So let's talk about what Shivai stand for. It just isn't about me. Like Shivai just isn't about me. Like a lot of people just think like it's just a startup. It's all about me. So it's not just all about me. It's a collective, passion that I'm trying to build. And a lot of things I've seen, like people trying to sell a lot of things, but a lot of that heart of the thing is missing. So I'm building it. So, so vision for it is to, build a human driven mentorship program as well, consultancy that will be, you know, person first, like that they should know, and consultancy for clients, so that brand first, so that they also know. And that's what this platform fully stands for: being real, relatable, and impactful. So, as I document my whole journey, you guys have been seeing me. So, this is me documenting it. And here's the best part about it: I need people to join me for it. So, let's talk about how you can join the team. So, there are many ways you can contribute to Shivai. So, if you love editing or creating content, we can build something together. Like I did my videos and record it together. You can help me there. And if you're good with social media, you can spread a word about Shivai and me, and want to talk to clients, or brainstorm cool ideas or connect with clients. Then also we can collaborate on it, and we can innovate based on it and grow together. So you know whatever your skill is, there is a place for you here, and together we can make Shivai bigger, better, and basically fulfill the reason it was made for. And my only goal for Shivai is, to create one of the most human-driven platform out there, and a place where mentorship, consultancy, and collaboration comes really easy and it's not forced. And as we build it, like I'm trying to get people to build it, I'll document the journey on YouTube as well as other platforms. I'll share the wins, the challenges, and everything in between. So it's fully transparent, authentic, and a lot of people have got inspired from it also. So inspiring also. So join the journey. If this resonates with you, I'll love to join you guys in. And whether you want to contribute, collaborate, or just hang out, watch the journey, you're welcome here. And to get started, you can reach out to me directly through Topmate. You can also check out my socials on Linktree, and you can check out description for it, and you can understand Shivai and explore more further. So I'm trying to build Shivai. Let's build it together. A place where data, mentorship, and passion interest, uh, combine together and create something truly special. And thank you guys. It's the end now. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm excited for about this journey. So like this video and subscribe to the channel and drop a comment